Welcome to this video on groups, replacement, and site management. Creating a cardholder group is a way to segment cardholders into different classes for organizational purposes. Use the search icon and arrows to add specific cardholders to a group and click Add. Door groups can also be added to a specific access level instead of adding individual doors. Use the search icon and arrows to create a door group and click Add. To create an access level group and apply it to individual cardholders, use the search icon and arrows to create the access level group and click Add. If you need to replace an expansion node, go to Client Replacement, select Edit, and insert the new MAC address and click Save. In Site Management, you can change the site name and logo. The logo should be a maximum of 150 kilobytes. Once you have added the logo, it will appear in the left sidebar.